The more that you challenge yourself, the more you achieve, the more confident you get, I think.
What makes me feel confident is when I feel really good, so when I've had a really good night's sleep, or if I've just done a yoga class, I just feel really calm and well.
My makeup routine,
Sort of gives you that extra boost.
it gets to an age where it becomes restorative. So things that you took for granted when you're younger, like skin tone, and it changes as you get older.
I do it to feel properly dressed, properly ready to face the day.
And I thought, oh, the Wunderlift looks interesting.
I think it's really easy to apply.
You dab it on, you wait a minute, and you're ready to go.
And then apply anything else I want to on top. It's around presenting your face to the world, isn't it?
So it's not very obvious, it doesn't give any residue, you can't see that it's there. It gives every woman the possibility to be a superwoman.
Tightening up a little bit and you think, yeah, great.